In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion student dashboard to organize your school or university work. We're going to create a setup that feels simple, useful, and easy to maintain, so you can keep track of classes, assignments, notes, deadlines, and study resources all in one place. The goal here is not to build something overly complicated. It's to create a dashboard you'll actually want to use every day. Start by creating a main dashboard for your academic life in Notion. This will be your central hub, the place you open first whenever you need to check what's coming up or find something quickly. Give it a clear title and arrange it in a way that makes sense to you visually. You want this page to feel clean and welcoming, because the easier it is to navigate, the more likely you are to keep using it consistently. Next, add a section or database for each subject or class. This helps separate your workload and keeps everything from becoming one long, confusing list. Each class can have its own dedicated space where you can store course-specific information. If you're taking several subjects at once, this structure makes it much easier to switch focus without losing track of what belongs where. After that, create an assignment tracker with due dates and status labels. This is one of the most important parts of the dashboard because it gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. Add each assignment as it comes in, include the deadline, and mark its progress with a status such as not started, in progress, or completed. Keeping this updated helps prevent last-minute surprises and makes your workload feel more manageable. Now add pages for class notes, lecture notes, and study materials. These note pages give you a reliable place to capture what you learn and store information you'll want to review later. Try to keep your notes organized by class so everything stays easy to find during revision or exam season. Then create a calendar view for deadlines, exams, and class schedules. A calendar gives you a time-based perspective that complements your assignment tracker. It helps you spot busy weeks in advance and prepare for important academic dates before they become urgent. You should also add resources for each subject, including useful links, files, and references. This could include reading materials, research sources, slides, or anything else you return to regularly. Keeping these resources in the same workspace saves time and reduces distractions. Finally, review your dashboard regularly to stay organized. A dashboard only works if it stays current, so take a few minutes each day or week to update assignments, add notes, and check upcoming deadlines. With a consistent review habit, your Notion student dashboard can become a reliable system that keeps your academic life clear, focused, and under control.